Here at Kaylee's shop.
Yeah, front and rear. 360. Front and rear.
So this one's for sale for $1 million?
Yeah.
What year is it?
It's a 98. Last model Evolution.
Oh. It's got a lot of stuff done?
Yeah, I can start it up. No problem.
What all does it have done to it?
Wait, that needs. Oops.
Oh.
That needs shock. Yeah, it's a shock.
Makes a little bit of noise. I can't hear anything now.
Paperwork is clear.
All right.
Absolutely.
So if you're looking for...
I have there everything from the paperwork. No problem.
So you can contact if you want to get this bike.
There is my cell phone number. You see the green one downstairs? The red one is no more, well, I changed the landline, but the green is my cell phone number.
And then this one too is also for sale?
That is a 71 shuffle.
And then also this one too?
1200 cc. Yeah. That is a 93 inch cubic, 1530. Yeah. Pen head. Engine. And that one is really something special. Makes fun.
So if we got a little bit of money, we can come by and get these bikes. I wish I had some money, but I don't have a job.
But it's the small stuff. What? Nobody see. Yeah. What's that? Okay, yeah, that is like that. But this flat piston carburetor, yeah, Mikuni flat piston carburetor, is almost $800. There you see it on that one. Mm-hmm. It's $800. The crankcase, yeah, the Delcron crankcase with transmission is $4,000 together. Only the case. There is no bolt, no anything. And that looks, yeah, that looks like an engine.